Assalamu alaikum class 7. Class 7, today we are going to revise chapter number 9 and the topics we are going to cover are ratio, rate, time and speed. So starting from exercise number 9A on page 212, I want you people to open up your books in front of you. Page number 212, question number 1. You can see that the question has in each part there are different units given. So the main idea of this question, solving this question, simplifying this question is to make the units same first. So first question has kg and grams. So change the kg into grams and then solve them into the simplified form. In question number 2, you have to find the value of A when A ratio 400 is equals to 6 ratio 25 given. Now, for this specific question, A ratio 400 is equals to 6 ratio 25. What you are supposed to do is write the first value given divided by the second value and then put the equal sign. The first value as a numerator and the second value as a denominator. Do them this way and then you have to do the cross multiplication. Isolate your A and you'll get the final answer, the value of A. This is for question number 2 I'm talking about. Now I'm jumping to the seventh question. Look at your seventh question. This question I have done with an example here. Look at the example which is given. Two brothers Babar and Hassan shared a certain amount of money in the ratio 3:9. If Hassan gets $12 more than Babar, find the total amount of money they shared. Now what you have to do is you have to say like let the share of Babar be, look at the ratio 3x and the share of Hassan B, look at the share of Hassan 9x. Now what you have to do is find the total share. Total share is equals to 3x plus 9x will give you 12x. Now keep it in your mind, 12x. This is the main thing you have to start your question with. Now see the next part of the question. If Hassan gets $12 more than Babar, then what happens? Because Hassan's ratio is more than Babar, so it means that he gets something more than Babar, so he gets $12 more than Babar. Now to make them equal, to make these two boys share equal, what we can do is that 9x is Hassan's share is equals to 3x of Babar's share. Now obviously it is not equal. So to make them equal, because 9x cannot be equals to 3x. So to make them equal, we have to give something extra to Babar. Because Hassan already gets $12 more. So we have to give something extra to Babar to make him equals to Hassan. So what I will do is, I will add this amount, $12 in Babar's share. Now this equation is correct. Hassan gets more than Babar because he has $12 extra than Babar. He already has it in this share. So to make him equals to Babar, I have to give Babar something extra. Extra which is Hassan has. So I give him $12 more in his ratio. Now both of them are equal. Clear? Now what you have to do